Buy, sell, and store crypto on a trusted platform. Crypto starts with Bitvavo.
Hey, JSNation. I am reacting to Web3 here today, and I am your token Web3 guy, pun intended, and because I'm not unique, I'm just like all of you. And just like my booth mates, if a bad joke has to be explained, it's like bad code, it's not good. Anyway, enough of the dad jokes. So I'm Jonathan Shealy. I'm a software architect for Decentology. We build Web3 apps so that you don't have to. So our goal is to bring developer tools to the Web2 community. And we do that through our smart modules, all open source. So again, we're trying to bring Web2 to the Web3 community. And we do that by essentially doing an NPM install of smart contract modules through a JavaScript API so that you don't have to write any of contract code. So just like Web3 developers, or excuse me, Web2, there's only a handful of us, like Tobias and things like that are creating Webpack. So just like in the Web3 community, there's only a few people that need to actually build the smart contracts. Most of us are going to be consumers of those modules and just take in the value. So if any of your clients or if you've been interested in dabbling in Web3, it's as simple as putting in an initialization function. So we work very much like a Stripe API or an Auth0 where you initialize, you pick your blockchain through a couple of simple modules. And like this example, using an ERC20 NFT module, you can get started with a line of code. We use React context to wrap your application. And to actually use a module, it's as simple as using a React hook. So in order to mint an NFT in this example, it's one line. You don't have to worry about any of the details past that. And all the contract code is already compiled and deployed for you. And what's in the box? So all that gives you is connection to the wallets, negotiating the network between test nets and main nets. All the contract is already deployed, so again, you just get to use it. You don't have to pay for any of the setup fees for anything like that. And we also include all decentralized storage, so IPFS and Skynet are two of the systems that we have integrated, so you get to pick and choose. And it comes with a fully typed TypeScript library that you can use in Next.js or in Nest.js or in SvelteKit or anything like that. You would be able to use that. And with it all comes with a storybook and testing framework so that you get to actually play around with the application. So just like Rich was previously mentioning, live documentation where you have to get to experience what each of these modules do without actually having to install it or dig deep into the documentation. So two of the questions that I get asked all the time, which is, why do I need Web3? And what can I build with Web3? So why do you need Web3? Maybe you don't. But if you are interested in any of these reasons, so if you're building a game and you want that transaction history that can be taken from game to game, GameFi is a new part of that technology. Mobile apps, again, any kind of contract-based system. Because it's a blockchain, you can do a lot of cool analytics, and not just you, your users can do that. Because, again, it's a transparent database, they could build an app that kind of shows kind of like game stats and things like that, and you don't have to worry about that. You can focus on your core game. Simple things like authentication. So if anyone who's built an authentication system 50 times in their life and never wants to do it again, allowing someone just to log in with a simple wallet connection, and that's all you need to identify them, is amazing. And payments, at the end of the day, if you just want to do a subscription system, you could create Medium as an example. So someone pays you $5 a month, goes through that system, and a worldwide currency allows you to get access to subscription content. And with that, we have documentation listed both, again, in reference form as well as online docs. And you can visit us in our Discord. And thank you, Amsterdam.